Would you like to get a woman to approach you instead of you having to approach them all the time? Well, it's going to save you time and energy, plus it would make you look like a high-value guy, which will make you even more popular with other ladies. It's the dream, really, right, when it comes to women and dating in general. And the good news is, gents, that it is possible, but you just need to learn how to do it. And today's video is just for that. I'm going to show you how to get a woman to approach you. So you are about to learn how to be catnip to the ladies, so listen up, like and subscribe. Always dress well. The better you dress, the more luck you will have with the ladies. The truth is that although some men dress well, most of them don't. They don't really understand how to dress themselves so that it suits their body type or what actually looks good on them. And women are naturally attracted to men who do dress well, and they are more likely to actually approach a gentleman who dresses well, so it's worth putting the effort in. If you don't already dress well, you might need some help. You could ask someone in your family or a friend to help you out. And if you don't have look there, then you can hire a personal stylist to help you out. But spend some time looking through fashion magazines for the cheaper option. Go on the internet and get a clear picture of the latest fashion trends and see if any of them would suit you. You will need a casual outfit, some smart outfits, and some basics. And don't forget your shoes. Make sure they are clean and new if possible, or always looking new, because shoes are one of the first things that women notice when they meet a man. Then once she's assessed your shoes, assessed your outfit, she's going to look straight into your eyes and admire your complexion. And having a good skincare routine is something that is going to immediately turn heads whenever you are in public. Now I get it, skincare can be a little bit overwhelming, and that is why I am excited to have Tiege Hanley as the sponsor of today's video. Tiege Hanley makes everything so simple to start and maintain a skincare routine without the dread of having to step into a beauty store. Now I would recommend that you start with the level 1 system, which is what I have right here, because it includes everything that you need to get started. Inside the level 1 system, you get a daily face wash, which will help you get rid of the dirt and grime, a 2 times a week exfoliating scrub that gently removes dead skin cells to reveal plump, youthful looking skin, an AM moisturizer with an SPF of 20 to stop you looking like a leather sofa when exposed to the sun, and a PM moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, nourished and healthy whilst you sleep. Something I love about Tiege Hanley is the instruction card. It tells you what products to use in which order, and also a handy sizing guide so you don't use too much or not enough. Even female skincare doesn't include something like this. So not only will you look amazing, but the members of Tiege Hanley get tons of benefits, including at least 20% off the retail price. And you can also customize your box. You can go up in levels, you can add more products, swap them out, you can focus on, say, anti-wrinkle creams, serums, you can pause and cancel your subscription at any time. And if you live in the US, you get free shipping, and they also offer low-cost shipping to most other countries. And because Tiege Hanley is sponsoring today's video, they are offering my viewers a great deal. Just click that first link in the description, and not only will you get Tiege Hanley for the best possible price, but they will also give you a free gift with your first box. So go click that link and get started for just $30. Remember to eat healthy and to be fit. So now you have your outfit sorted, you need to make sure that your body looks its best inside of those outfits. Women are more likely to approach a guy that is physically fit. So that means eating a balanced diet, a mix of protein and vegetables. Try not to overdo it with too much alcohol or junk foods, because this can really start to show itself in your skin. You can also stay fit by going to the gym or doing a sport that you enjoy regularly. Now this will make your body look look good, but it also is going to boost your confidence levels. And this is very important because then you feel happier and you become much more approachable. And once you start dating the girl, you will also have some healthy habits which she will find very sexy and be impressed by because you have that constant routine of going to the gym or going to your regular sports class. Smell nice. Women are attracted to men that smell amazing. They like men who wear that nice, delicious smelling cologne. She will be able to smell it if you walk past her or if she walks past you. If you struggle to pick a cologne that suits you, then you can ask a shop assistant to help. They're going to match one that sits well on your skin and will make you irresistible to any woman who is close to you. Speak a little louder than normal. You want to be noticed by the girl so that she will approach you, right? So of course you will be looking the part, which is a very good start. But you want to grab her attention though, and a great way to do this is by lowering your voice a little. Men typically have lower voices than women, which we find attractive. And some voices, however, are higher than others. So to get a girl to approach you, you need to lower your voice just a little. You should also speak a little louder than you normally would. You don't want to yell or draw too much attention to yourself. It needs to be the perfect amount. And speak slightly louder than you normally would, specifically if you are in a bar or a restaurant. She will notice you straight away and be able to hear you super clearly. My favorite tip is you need to have fun. If you are out at a social occasion or maybe you are in a group situation and you want a girl to approach you, there is a simple thing that you can do that will get her to pay attention to you. Simple, have fun. When we are having fun, we are more likely to look confident, happy and relaxed all at the same time. And this is when a girl is more likely to really want you. She will notice the lines on your face as you smile and how confident you are when you speak, which are big attractive things. Having fun is one of the best things that you can do to get a girl to approach you. Always be approachable. Guys that appear too cocky or closed off are not the ones that we are going to want to approach. Girls want those that are approachable. Women are naturally shy and it's a big step for them to approach a gent, so especially because society tells them that guys should be approaching her. So they want to be really sure that a guy is going to be nice to them when they do go over and approach. And that's why you always need to be ready. You need to have open body language and look kind by smiling. Remember to uncross your arms and keep your back up straight. And try to chat to other people in the room so that she knows that you are approachable. It is often easier for someone to approach you if they see you talking to other people. Use the power of body language. When it comes to getting a lady to approach you, you should take full advantage of your body language. You should display open body language, which means uncrossing your arms, keeping your neck and your back up straight, and standing with your arms by your sides. All of these things help you to appear confident and much more approachable. You should also be using the power of strong eye contact. And it's simple. Glance at her from across the room and catch her eye. Also, looking at her when she is not looking will make her feel like someone is watching her and she will naturally look at you. It's something strange that we pick up on as humans. And after a few locked eye contact moments, she will be sure to come over to you. Smile. You are never fully dressed without a smile. Smiling makes you more approachable. You appear confident and obviously very happy. And all things that a girl wants to see in a man before she approaches. So try to smile as much as you can and smile whenever you look at her. When she does approach you, show her how happy you are that she has come over to see you. That way she will know that you are interested in her as well. So try to flirt a little with that smile so that she knows you are really into her. Try out the look. This is a very famous thing. When she looks over your way, you look back at her, you smile slightly, and then you carry on talking to whoever it was that you were talking to. Now do this a few times to show her how confident you are. It gives off a great impression and you look confident and very kind. If you want her to feel as though she can approach you, then you want to actually elicit this look. There is one other more flirty look that you can try out after she has approached you. It's a slight smirk with your eyes looking at her. It's a seriously very sexy thing and girls love it. Be there so that she does not have to search for you. At this point, you are only trying to get her to approach you, so you don't need to be there to listen to her life problems or to help her move her house or to start her car and recharge the battery. Just be there when she's coming over and try to be around her so that she does not need to search for you. This will make it so much easier for her to want to approach. And well, there you have it. Let us know if you are ready to try out the tips from today's video, and be sure to click that link to get your Tiege Hanley Level 1 skincare system. Like and subscribe. See you soon. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.